Hello everyone, my name is Natasha Lisa in PM 244111145. I'm from Faculty Economy and Business, Prodi Management. Monopoly, market dominance and its implication. A monopoly is a market structure where a single seller or producer dominates the entire market for a particular good or service. This unique position gives the monopolies complete control over price and supply, as consumers have no alternative. Monopolies can arise from various factors including natural conditions, legal protection, or technological advantage. While monopolies can lead to efficiency, in some cases they also pose significant risk to consumer welfare and market competition. Understanding the characteristics, tips, and advantages and disadvantages of monopoly is crucial for evaluating their impact on the economy and society. Defining monopoly. Single seller. A monopoly exists when one company is the sole provider of a good or service in a market. No substitutes the product offered, has no close alternative, limiting consumer choice. Price control. The monopolist has the power to set price without fear of losing customer to competition. In barriers, high barriers prevent new firms from entering the market and competing. A classic example of a monopoly is a utility company providing water or electricity in a specific region where no other service providers operate. In such case, consumers have no choice but to accept the price and quality set by the monopolies. Type of monopoly. Natural monopoly occurs when economies of scale make it efficient for a single firm to operate, such as in utility. Legal monopoly. Created by government granted exclusive rights like patents, it pharmaceuticals. Set monopoly. Government controlled industry serving public interests, e.g. railways or postal service. Technology monopoly arises when a company controls a technology, giving it a significant competitive advantage. Each type of monopoly has unique characteristics and implications for market dynamics and consumer welfare. Understanding the distinction is crucial for effective regulation and policy making. Advantage of monopoly. Economic of scale monopoly can achieve cost efficiency by producing on a large scale, potentially leading to lower price for consumers. Innovation and research. Patent protection monopolies encourage investment in research and development, particularly in pharmaceuticals and technology. While monopoly are often viewed negatively, they can other benefit in certain contexts. For intense consistent service. Quality in public service like railways and postal service can be achieved when managed by a single entity. Market stability. In case, monopolies provide stable price and relative supply of goods, especially in essential sectors like utilities. Disadvantages of monopoly. 1. High price. Without competition, monopolies can charge higher prices, potentially harming consumers. 2. Limited car choice. Consumers have an alternative option and must accept the available product or service. 3. Inefficiency. Monopolies often lead to allocative inefficiency with price higher than marginal cost. 4. Reduce innovation. In some cases, monopolies might lose the incentive to innovate due to lack of competition. These disadvantages highlight the potential negative impact of monopolies on consumer welfare and market efficiency. The lack of compensation can lead to exploitation of consumer through high price and reduced quality of product or service. Price determination monopoly. Price maker rule. Unlike in perfect competition, the monopolies acts as a price maker setting price to maximize profits. 2. Demand elasticity. The monopolies considers how consumers respond to price change in elastic demand allows for higher price. 3. Profit maximization. Prices are set to balance between high profit per unit and maintaining sufficient demand. This pricing power distinguishes monopoly from competitive markets. The monopoly's ability to set price without fear of losing customer to competition can lead to higher price and reduce consumer surplus. Real world example of monopoly. PLN Indonesia. Monopoly on electricity distribution in many regions. Google dominates in internet search service in several countries. Microsoft Windows historical dominance in operating system market. Pharmaceutical companies temporary monopolies due to drug patents. This example illustrates how monopolies can exist in various sectors from athletics to technology and pharmaceutical. Each case present unique challenge for regulation and consumers, highlighting the complex nature of monopolistic market in the real world. Government regulation of monopolies. 1. Price regulation. Government set price caps to prevent excessively high prices. And 2. Antitrust laws aim to prevent new monopolies and limit the power of large companies. 3. Privatization. State-owned monopolies may be privatized to introduce competition. 4. Monitoring. Regulatory bodies like KPPU in Indonesia monitor companies to prevent harmful practices. These regulatory measures are crucial in ensuring that monopolies do not misuse their power and harm the public interest. The balance between allowing efficiency and preventing exploitation is key challenge for policymakers. Conclusion: the dual nature of monopolies. Potential benefit: monopolies can lead to efficiency, innovation, and stable service in certain sectors. Potential harms: they also risk exploiting consumers through high price and limited choice. Balancing act: effective regulation is crucial to harness benefits while mitigating a negative impact. Understanding the complex nature of monopolies is essential for policymakers, business, and consumers. While they can provide benefits in some contexts, the potential for harm necessitates careful monitoring and regulation to ensure fair market practice and protect consumers. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.